Hi everybody, once again it is now 1:59 and 13 seconds, 14:15, September 11th. This is the main drawing for the two Spider-Man slabs, 9.4 and 8.5. In this one, whoever comes in first place will win the 9.4. Whoever comes in second place wins the 8.5. Over here on the left are the 21 filled spots. The people that have multiple spots, you have a chance to come in first and second and win both books. So the number is 13, lucky 13, away we go. Best of luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is the final one, 13. Frank Digi comes in first, gets the 9.4. Colton Walsh comes in second, gets the 8.5. Time is now 2 p.m. and 10 seconds.